Love was started 7 years back by 5 friends.
पूना से हैं यार, बड़ा ऑब्वियस है। और पूना के आरटीओ का रजिस्ट्रेशन इज MS12।
People ask you where you riding for. What is your answer going to be? Pune. What does Pune stand for? MS12.
We just don't actually label ourselves at a specific set of riders, like tourers or racers or something like that, stunters. We have everything.
It's basically people getting together for the same love that you have, that you would probably do day in and day out. You don't ride a motorcycle only when you go for a ride on a Sunday or a weekend or a trip. You ride it on a daily basis. Even probably when you're going to work, you're riding a motorcycle because you love it. You love doing that. And it's not only going from point A to point B for us. It's about that journey.
चाय की चुस्की सबको है, तो चाय वाय पीने के लिए तो कहीं भी भाग जाते हैं। अगर मन किया रात को निकल लिए, मरीन ड्राइव गए, चाय वाय किया, आ गए, सुबह तक वापस ऑफिस के लिए वापस। अगर ऑफिस नहीं होता तो वहाँ और कहीं आगे चले जाते। We have 3 special rides throughout the year. 2 would be a single day return ride that can cross be in a radius of 500 kilometers or 600 kilometers both ways. Those 2 rides are there. That we make it a point कि लोग सारे members आते ही आते हैं। Then annually एक ना एक तो ride हम ऐसा ही निकालते हैं that usually comes nearby to the anniversary. जैसे दिल चाहता है मैं, वो बोलता है केक खाने हम कहीं भी पहुंच जाते हैं, वैसे राइड करने हम कहीं भी पहुंच जाते हैं, किसी के भी साथ हो। We are always present at every event, be it biking related, be it car related, anything automotive, we are there. MS12 is present. Before being MS12 club members, we are friends. And we've been friends since years.
Across India, the biking culture is that way. तुम कहीं के भी हो, it's just that thing between your legs, that motor is what joins you with each other.
MS